Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your normal video to 4K resolution in the CapCut PC here. So first you just need to go to this CapCut online video editor. Then here you will find the option called Magic Tools. Click on it. Then click on this for videos option. Here you will find the option called Video Upscaler here. Click on it. Then you need to upload your file here. So just drag and drop your file. And as you can see, the video resolution is 720p. So remember, you need to at least upload a video with the 720p resolution, then it can become the 4K resolution here. After uploading the video, you need to choose this upscale option here. And it will start to generate your video and upscale your video to 4K resolution. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, your resolution has been changed and video has been upgraded to 4K here. So if I go to this video upscaler and see the original version, and this, as you can see, this is the 720p version. So if I play this video right here, play the 4K version right now. So as you can see, there's a difference between 4K and the lower resolution here. So that's it guys, this is how you can upgrade your video to the 4K in CapCut PC here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.